Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make classic udon. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 4 package of frozen udon noodles, 1 tablespoon instant dashi soup stock, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons mirin, 1 teaspoon salt. And for the topping, I have 4 onsen tamago, hot spring eggs, some sliced green onion, kamaboko fish cake, and tempura bits. Today I'm using this frozen udon, but you can of course use dried one too. If you're using dried udon, just follow the instruction and cook it beforehand. I'm using those toppings, but topping can be anything you like, so play with it and find your favorite toppings. I'm going to make the broth first. I have 1200 milliliter water. Let's add 1 tablespoon instant dashi, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons mirin, 1 teaspoon salt. Turn the heat on and just bring it to boil. In the meantime, I'm slicing this kamaboko fish cake. So just open the package. Kamaboko fish cake usually comes on a wood plate like this. So let's take it off from the wood plate. Like this. And just slice it thinly. Now the broth is boiling, so let's put the udon noodles. Gently release the noodles and let's cook it for 1 minute. Boiling again and it's good to go. Let's serve it. Let's put some noodles and broth, onsen tamago. Gently put it on top. Tempura bits, sliced green onion, kamaboko fish cake, and udon noodle is ready to eat. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!